All right, so you wanna make $1,000 a month in passive income. That's your cue.
Oh, okay, shit.
So you wanna make $1,000 a month in passive income.
Wait, Tanner, what's passive income?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Tom, let me tell you. Passive income is basically any money coming in regularly that doesn't require additional work on your part. But nothing in life is ever free, so even with passive income, you still gotta work for it up front. So when I was first starting out, I looked at a lot of these things and made a decision on what the best way to start getting passive income would be. I'll tell you what I personally did at the end, but for now, let's go through 11 simple side hustles that pretty much anyone can do to make 1K a month the lazy way. All right, number 1, record and sell a video training workshop. 2, create an online course. 3, write an ebook or guide. 4, get commissions from affiliate marketing. 5, sell stock photography. 6, sponsored posts on Instagram. 7, invest in dividend paying stocks. 8, did I say 7 last? 8, OnlyFans, my personal favorite. 9, rent out a room in your home or list your place on Airbnb. I love doing that. Rent ad space on your car or rent out your car on Turo. 10 and 11. And then these last 2 are kind of personal. So if you have trust issues, probably not for you, but you could help other businesses bring in clients or run their ads or find people for them organically. Be basically a connector, okay? Now, on that note, like I said earlier, a lot of these will be very time consuming upfront still. So if you're gonna put that time in cranking at these income streams anyway, even if it's to crack the code on, passive income, why wouldn't you just put the same amount of time into learning how to make way more than 1K a month? So what if you could make over 10K a month instead? You don't wanna be aiming so low, but that sounds so weird. Why are you aiming so low, you little rascal? Here we go, go. Yeah. What if you can make over 10K a month instead? You don't want to be the person that's aiming real low.
Oh, what a loser!
Okay, so Big Brother Tanner here, then you can aim a little higher if you wanted, and here is your permission slip. Now, that was so weak. If you're gonna start working on these income streams, why not aim a little higher? Hitting 1K a month in revenue is actually pretty easy with the right plan, and passive income is great, but it's not always the easiest to create. So yeah, I can show you other ways to make 10x that money in the same time frame, like all of these people too. If you want to know how we got them all well past that mark, click the link below to find out a faster way to hit 1K months and beyond. See you next time.